Hi guys, what is up? It's your girl Jessica, and today I'm doing a twist out. I've been neglecting my hair for a few months now. I've been protective styling, wearing weaves, but in reality I have not been taking care of my hair, unfortunately, and things have got to change. I put oil on my hands while untwisting, unraveling my twists. There's just something special about playing in this head of mine, and I'm sure you girls feel the same. Guys with dreads and natural hair, just playing in your hair is just really almost a soothing moment. Just a moment to yourself where it's just you and your hair. There's definitely nothing wrong with wearing weaves, with protective styling, but sometimes we just use it as a crutch. Sometimes I take off my wig and I look at my natural hair and think, there's nothing that could be done with it that day, but that is not true. Usually when I keep playing and playing in my hair, like amazing things start to happen. I really start to see the beauty in my kinks and in my curls. I just turned 26. I just had a birthday, and things this year are going really good for me. I've had a lot of new chapters begin, and I want to add my hair regimen into that. While things are going great, I just want to drink lots of water, eat healthy, and take care of every aspect of my life, down to my hair. I've been neglecting my hair so much, and I just want to show it some love. So I've just decided to just take care of my hair the right way. When it comes to American beauty standards, looking in the mirror wearing long, straight hair can make you feel absolutely beautiful because of our conditionment. But there is something to be said about our curls, our kinks, the hair that's naturally growing from our hair, the way it feels when we wear it out. There's just nothing that's more bold, nothing that's more ourselves than wearing our natural hair with pride. It feels so good to just go outside and be natural. I just think it's very important for us to, represent like really hard right now for the natural community. Thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, click subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I plan on giving you guys a ton of new videos, so be on the lookout for that, and have a great day, you guys.